Today's Ask Shaf is all about family values. Wait, don't worry, I haven't morphed into a Tory MP from the mid-90s. I'm not going to lecture you on how to live your life. No, today I'm going to talk to you about what I learned from my parents and how they gave me a head start when it came to business. When I was growing up, my parents ran a newsagent. Look around you. People who own their own businesses are often brought up in a family firm or in a family where one parent or both work or worked for themselves. Thanks to my parents, I had my first job at 10 when I started a paper round for them. I didn't realise it at the time, but what a grounding in business they were giving me. Every day I heard them discuss the good times and the worrying times that all business owners face. Chats about profits, cash flow, how much we could draw from the business, and investments were all part of my childhood. I knew about all these concepts before I set up my first business. The basic lessons I learned from that shop have stood me in good stead my whole working life. And I was like a sponge, taking it all in. Thanks to my parents, I had first-hand experience about how money works. I knew working smart was as important as working hard and not to overextend when it came to borrowing. I knew to keep a tight grip of the whole business, not just finances. I knew how important it is to understand your customers, and I had the old cliche of looking after the pennies so the pounds looked after themselves drummed into me. But I must admit there was one crucial difference between me and my parents. As much as I loved, admired and respected them for running their own business, deep down I knew that I wanted to do something on a much bigger scale than the family business. I dreamed and dared to go big. If your parents ran their own business, you have automatically been given a head start if you want to become an entrepreneur. They have shared with you the secrets of their success and the mistakes they made. But if your folks climb the corporate ladder or work for big business, it doesn't necessarily mean you are at a disadvantage. Read as much as you can on running your own business. Talk to people running small firms. You will get a valuable insight into their mindset. People who run their own business love nothing more than talking about it. Their advice will be priceless. So the next time you're out for dinner, have a chat with the owner of the restaurant. Ask them what's going well and what is worrying them. Ask them what things they would do differently if they had the chance. Do the same in your local newsagent, cafe, ask the dog walker, or even your cleaner those same questions. You'll be surprised at the amount of real, helpful, practical information they pass on to you. Being brought up in a family business can give an aspiring entrepreneur a head start. If that's not you, make sure you've learned the lessons that you were taught as youngsters. You'll be grateful for this knowledge. As they say, knowledge is power. What do you think? Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And please check out the rest of the content on my YouTube channel.